Is Dropbox stuck syncing, or are your latest files not appearing on your other devices? Don't worry, there are several common causes. In this guide, I'll walk you through the quickest ways to fix Dropbox not syncing and get your files moving again. First, check your internet connection. Open a browser and load a few websites to make sure your connection is working normally. If the connection is unstable, fix that first, because Dropbox needs a reliable connection to sync your files. Next, click the Dropbox icon on your computer and check the current sync status. Look for messages such as syncing, paused, or up to date. If syncing is paused, use the available option to resume it. Now open your Dropbox folder and check the file that's causing the problem. Make sure the file is actually inside your Dropbox folder and hasn't been moved somewhere else. Also check whether the file is still being uploaded. Another common cause is running out of storage. Open your Dropbox account and check your available space. If your account is full, new files may not sync correctly. You can remove unnecessary files or review your storage options. If a particular folder isn't appearing on your computer, check your sync settings. Selective sync can prevent certain folders from being stored locally. Open Dropbox Preferences and review which folders are selected for syncing. If everything looks correct but Dropbox still isn't syncing, try restarting the application. Close Dropbox completely, wait a few seconds, and then open it again. Yeah, a simple restart can sometimes clear a temporary sync problem. If the problem continues, check whether you're using the latest Dropbox application. An outdated installation can sometimes cause compatibility or syncing problems. If updating doesn't help, reinstalling the official Dropbox app can be another troubleshooting step, and that's how to troubleshoot Dropbox when it's not syncing. Check your internet, confirm the sync status, inspect the file location, check storage and sync settings, then restart or update Dropbox if needed. So work through these steps one at a time, and you should be able to identify what's blocking the sync.